Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with the Philips 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor. I bought this monitor from Amazon using the link in the description. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same link for the best price and available offers. The first thing I noticed is how much space you get on this display. The 34-inch ultra-wide screen feels like having two monitors side by side, making it great for work, multitasking, content creation, and everyday productivity. The ultra-wide QHD resolution looks sharp and detailed. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, watching videos, or managing multiple windows at once, everything looks clean and clear. One feature I really like is the built-in Windows Hello Webcam. Logging into your PC becomes quick and convenient, and the image quality is more than good enough for meetings, online classes, and video calls. The noise-canceling microphone is another useful addition. Your voice comes through clearly during calls, helping reduce background distractions without needing an external microphone. The monitor also comes with built-in stereo speakers, which are perfectly fine for meetings, YouTube videos, and everyday use without needing external speakers. While this isn't marketed as a gaming monitor, the 100 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, animations, and casual gaming feel smoother than standard 60 Hz displays. The curved ultra-wide design helps make the large screen feel more comfortable to use, and adds a more immersive experience when watching movies or working across multiple applications. The overall design looks professional and modern, making it a great fit for both home offices and workspace setups. Its main strength is productivity, multitasking, and professional use. Overall, this Philips monitor feels like an excellent all-in-one monitor. The ultra-wide display, Windows Hello Webcam, USB-C docking, built-in microphone, and speakers make it a very convenient solution for work-from-home users and professionals. If you're thinking of buying it, check the Amazon link in the description.